The Gemco 1980 series rotating cam limit switch is a rugged contained unit that allows the timing and triggering of multiple separate systems by activating snap action switches. These switches can send control signals or pass voltage to various elements of an operation. As the shaft extension is rotated, the adjustable cams move in the sequence that has been specified by the user. This is perfect for setting up complex operations that require a series of repeated automated steps that must move in an accurate and sequential order. The rotating cam limit switch offers precision toolless adjustments at any angular position of the camshaft and can operate with speeds ranging from 0 to 500 RPM in either direction. Ideal for drawbridges, locks, dams, factories, and other heavy movable structures. The Gemco 1980 series rotating cam limit switch is the ideal solution for controlling complex, sequential operations in heavy-duty applications. To learn more, visit us at ametekfactoryautomation.com, where we provide precision control for complex operations.